everybody. Welcome to another Snacktivity with the Avalon branch. I'm Miss Katie and I'm going to be walking you through how to make some frog Oreo cookies. Alright, so for this activity you're going to need a bowl that is microwave safe for melting some chocolate, your Oreos, I happen to have Lady Gaga ones from the Dollar Tree, pretzels, some white chocolate. I just use chocolate chips because they melt just fine, but if you want to get melting chocolate, you can do that too. Some edible eyeballs, some sprinkles that have green sprinkles and pink sprinkles. So I've got some flower ones. I've got some stars that have those colors, or you can just get, if you can find just plain pink and plain green, that works too. Some green food coloring, a spoon, something to hold onto your Oreos with for dunking. So I've got some skewers, but a fork will work too. And then a plate to let them dry on. All right, so our first step today is going to be melting our chocolate. So you need maybe a quarter of a bag of white chocolate chips, okay? And you're going to put these in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time. And every time your 30 seconds is up, you're gonna stir them until it's all melted. All right, and once you have your white chocolate all nice and melted, you're going to add your green food coloring to it. You don't need a lot, just a few drops, but this is gonna be what colors your frog green. So make sure you get it good and mixed in together. But you don't want to add too much, because if you add too much of it, it's going to make your white chocolate seize into a hard bleh, and that's no good. So I've got my green. The next step is you can use your skewer, or for your pretzels you can use your fingers. And you want to cover your pretzels in your white chocolate. So I'm using my spoon to spread it on. You can do it however you want. And if your white chocolate gets too hard, you can always put it back in the microwave for a few more minutes, or well, a few more seconds rather. Don't put it in for lots of minutes at a time. That's a good way to make a horrible, horrible mess. So let's see. Sometimes I like using my finger to get a little better coverage, because I want to get it on the sides really good, because these are going to be your froggy feet. All right. Now you're going to set those on your plate together, so that way you're going to be able to set your Oreos straight onto them. All right. Once you get your pretzels covered, you're going to take one of your Oreos. These are my Lady Gaga Oreos. So they've even got green filling. And you're going to stab it with your skewer or your fork. And you're going to cover your Oreo with your chocolate now. So I let my chocolate get a little too hard, so we're going to have to melt it some more. Once you have your Oreo covered, you're going to set it onto your pretzel feet. So it's going to look kind of like this. Then you're going to take some of your green sprinkles and put them on top of your frog to give it some spots. You can put however many you want, but make sure you leave a space for your eyes. All right, so you're going to take 2 of your edible eyeballs. And you are going to stick them into your white chocolate while it's still wet, so it'll hold it. And you're going to stick them upright. So that way they make our big, bulgy eyeballs like a frog would have. And then the last piece is right in the middle where that cookie filling is. You're going to stick a little pink tongue. And that, my friends, is your Oreo frog. And you can make as many or as few of these as you want. That's the best part. Well, no, the best part is eating them.